Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are doing fine and safe at home. Welcome back to the class. Today we are doing EVS. Remember, we did the chapter My Neighborhood Safety Rules. Okay, so let's see. Name the three colors of the traffic lights. Do you remember? Have you seen this? When you're going outside, when you are in the car, you can see this signboard, isn't it? This is called the traffic light. And here we have three colors. Three colors, red, yellow, and green. You have done this before. Yes? When it is red, it means to stop. You have to stop your car or you have to stop your vehicle. When it is yellow, it means to wait. And green means that you can go, you can move. Yes? So red light says stop, yellow light says wait, and green light says go. Yes. Now, here are some safety tips from the kids. You have to name the following pictures. See the first picture. Can you see the three kids walking? What is this called? Many of you asked, what is a footpath? We should always walk on the footpath, okay? This is a footpath, a little upper area. This is a little upper area from the road, okay? We should never play on the road, right? So we should always walk on the footpath and we should never play on the road. It is very, very dangerous. Number two, see, this is the zebra crossing. We should always cross the road at the zebra crossing. We should cross the road only when the pedestrian light is green. Yes. Number three, we should not play with sharp things. Now, what are the sharp things like knife, like scissors? All those things are sharp and you must not play with it. You should be very careful while using such kind of things. Number four, we should not touch electric switches or wires with wet hands. With wet hands, you must never touch the electric switches or wires. Number five, we don't run about carelessly on the stairs. Whenever you're on the stairs, don't run carelessly, okay? You must be very careful. Slowly you must climb up the stairs and come down the stairs. Now next is what are these symbols stand for? Number one, the first symbol means that this is no parking. Now, sometimes when your father or your mother is parking the car, if there is this kind of symbol, you cannot park the car. Okay, it's a no parking sign. Number two, what is the symbol? This means no horn. Okay, there are some areas where you cannot horn. Horn means TT when there is a beep on your car. Okay, when you are pressing the horn, that is not allowed in some areas. Okay, so this means no horn. What is the next signal? This means no entry. Okay, in some roads when you are driving, it will show no entry. So you cannot take your car from there. Okay. Number four, this means pedestrian crossing ahead. Okay. Pedestrian means the people are crossing ahead. So you should be careful. Okay. So this is all related to your chapter. The important things. Number one is the three colors of traffic lights. Okay, the safety rules. In this chapter we have basically read about the safety rules, different type of safety rules we have to do. We have to take care whenever we are going about in a road. When we are playing, we must play on the park, on the playground, okay, and never touch the electric wires or the switches, and don't play with the sharp things. Be very careful when you are walking. If you want to walk on the road, there is a footpath, always walk on there. Don't play on the road. Be very careful, okay. Don't put your hand outside of the bus or the vehicle when it is moving. Okay, always take care whenever you are entering the bus. There should be a queue. You must wait for your chance. Don't push. All these things we have done earlier in this chapter. Okay, this is the main three questions which we have done today. Number one is, let's do it once again. Name the three colors of the traffic lights. First, red light says stop. S-T-O-P, stop. Number two, yellow light says wait. W-A-I-T, wait. Number three, green light says go. G-O, go. So these are your three colors of the traffic lights. This you have done before also. Then here are some safety tips. You have to name the following pictures. See the first picture, this is, we should always walk on the footpath. We should never play on the road. Yes. Number two, we should always cross the road at the zebra crossing. We should cross the road only when the pedestrian light is green. Number three, we should not play with sharp things. Always we must be careful whenever we are using the sharp things. Number four, we should not touch electric switches or wires with wet hands. Okay. Number five, don't run about carelessly on the stairs. Now, whenever you are at home or in school, when you will come in school, you always remember there are stairs. So you should be always careful. Don't run. Or when you're going to some mall, be very careful when you're climbing the stairs. Okay. Those electric stairs are also there. Accelerators are there. Be very, very careful. Okay. Many accidents have happened. So when you're running on the stairs, you will hurt yourself. So you should be very careful. Okay. Then you have the symbols. The first symbol means no parking. The second symbol means no horn. Third symbol means no entry. And fourth symbol means pedestrian crossing ahead. Okay. So well done kids. That's all for your today's class. Till then take care and we'll meet soon for your next class. Till then take care. Bye bye.